Hey guys, the Pretty Girl Investor here. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I fill out an addendum to purchase agreement. An addendum is just a revised document of the actual offer to purchase agreement. So I'll be showing you how I fill that out and send it over to my sellers. So right now, you can see the addendum to purchase agreement already. It is somewhat already filled out. The effective date is the date of today. That is December 15th, 2023. And it reads, the addendum hereby becomes a part of the purchase agreement between the buyer and the seller, authorized on the original date. Okay, so you're going to put the original date of your office to purchase agreement, not today's date, for the property located at the city, the state, and the zip code of the property. The addendum contingency reads, buyer and seller agree that the standard purchase and sale agreement shall be amended as follows. Now you can change this. This is just what I have, and this is just what I am revising and what I am changing from my original offer to purchase agreement. It reads, the cash to seller at closing is now $10,000. The total purchase price is $10,000. So I had this property under contract originally for $17,000. I did a price reduction and it is now at $10,000. All other terms and conditions or contingencies of the agreement shall remain the same. This addendum shall go into effect on the date of the undersigned parties. I'm just going to download this PDF form. Like I said, you can change this. You can change anything about it. If you are changing any type of contingency, either way, if you are revising the original offer to purchase agreement, you will need an addendum of purchase agreement. Okay. So I'm just going to download this as a PDF. As you see, I have the buyer's signature and both of the seller's signatures and the date. So I'm going to download this and I'm going to upload this into DocuSign. You see, we are currently in DocuSign. I went ahead and uploaded the addendum to purchase agreement. You always want to be number one so you can make sure that you sign the contract or agreement first before you send it to your sellers. You can sign the agreement. DocuSign will let you sign the agreement without even having to send it out to yourself first. Okay, so you can do that first before you even send it out. I'm going to click next, and all I'm doing now is selecting where everyone should sign. There's only like one other place you can sign, and that is at the bottom of the paper. So I'm going to go ahead and input a signature, seller signature. Going to go ahead and input the other seller signature, and you want to make sure that the signed line is on the line that you have and not floating in the air. Trust me, it will not look right. You want to make sure the colors they match up, because if they don't match up, then it's not gonna be right. So purple with purple, make sure that the words are on the line that you want them to sign. And I'm just going to review, make sure everything looks good. All right, everything looks good. So I'm going to go ahead and send it. I really love DocuSign because if you make a mistake, an error, or whatever, you can literally go back and unsend what you just sent, or you can go back and revise what you just messed up on. I really love that. So it says you sent your first envelope. So being that we sent our first envelope, I'm going to see, like I said, you should already be able to sign it inside of DocuSign. I shouldn't have to go to my email at all. And that's crazy because I could have sworn that I put myself first. So I'm just going to go back, and it's crazy because I just told you what to do and then I messed up. So you can literally change the number. Like if I wanted to be third, I could literally just change the number up here and put 3, but I want to be first, so I'm going to keep it right there. So I put correct, and this is how it should look. It should say sign right here, and all you're going to do is sign it. So I'm just going to sign, finish, and it is complete. So all we have to do now is just literally just wait on them to sign it, and yeah, that's it guys. If you need this addendum to purchase agreement, then I will include it down at the bottom. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.